Okay, we're going to roll out the back of the neck, the paraspinal muscles. So those are the muscles right beside the neck over here, and what we want to do here is called seek and destroy. So seek and destroy is basically rolling out a gross area, looking for hot spots, which are sore spots, and you want to work those specific sore spots about an inch or two for about 5 to 10 passes. You would do so looking for a few other sore spots and just repeat, okay, on both sides of the neck. So let's look for a spot. Go ahead. Tell me when you found it.
Right there?
Right there, perfect. So on that specific spot, you want to just put as much pressure as you need in order to get a good soreness, about 4 to 10, but no super pain, okay? So go ahead. So about 1 or 2 inches, working back and forth, put some pressure in. Over a few 5 to 10 passes, you should feel some reliefs. Good. Good. All right. Perfect. After these, once you get some relief, seek and destroy again, so roll it out again, and look for another spot. You can do this on both sides of the neck. All right, just try to stay away from the center of the spine.